Well, this is how I started. When I was 7 years old, I got my first model train. I had a HO scale Bachmann starter set, and went on from there. Then Christmas got a Lionel train set. Then the Christmas after that got an LGB train set. Then when I was 14 years old, I had the Athearn Genesis Big Boy, which I still have that today. I like repairing locomotives and even playing with 1/8 scale trains, the riding trains, and just working on them. So, playing with miniature trains and model trains, after being 23 now, going on 24, it takes a long time to be a repairman and fix stuff from scratch, and making a few parts here and there. But that's just machining. I don't have machining parts. Make stuff out of what I can make it work. So the start of making trains and working on them and building a model railroad just takes time. Oh, one other thing, guys. Do you think I should switch my name from Kokosing Valley Central to Train Doctor? Please let me know in the comments below.